JagranJosh.com brings you the current affairs video for the period 9th April to 12th April 2016, covering national and international events which will be of immense help to the students in their preparations of exams like IAS, PCS, banking, SSC and others. Current affairs headlines: G7 foreign ministers meet concluded. India Maldives signed 6 agreements to deepen bilateral cooperation. B.B. Tandon Committee on Government Advertisements constituted. Danny Willett won 2016 US Masters Golf Championship. Lee Chong-wei won Malaysian Badminton Open 2016. Delhi girl Priyadarshini Chatterjee crowned FVB Miss India World 2016. UN-backed Yemen ceasefire came into force. Khadija Ismailova to receive UNESCO's World Press Freedom Prize 2016. Current affairs in detail. G7 foreign ministers meet concluded. It concluded with adoption of Hiroshima Declaration. Declaration emphasizes importance of nuclear weapon-free world. Global security, refugee crisis and political instability were focal points. The meet was prelude to the G7 summits scheduled in May 2016. G7 summit will be held in the Ise-shima region in Mie Prefecture. India Maldives signed 6 agreements to deepen bilateral cooperation. Maldivian President Abdullah Yameen Abdul Gayoom is on a 2-day visit to India. Both the countries signed Agreement for Avoidance of Double Taxation of Income, Agreement on Orbit Frequency Coordination of South Asia Satellite, MOU on Cooperation in the Field of Tourism. B.B. Tandon Committee on Government Advertisements constituted. It was constituted by Information and Broadcasting Ministry. It will be a 3-member committee headed by B.B. Tandon. B.B. Tandon is a former Chief Election Commissioner. It will monitor government advertisements in accordance with Supreme Court directions. Danny Willett won 2016 US Masters Golf Championship. He is the first Briton to win US Masters since Nick Faldo in 1996. Willett won his first major championship with a score of 283-5. He defeated defending champion Jordan Spieth. 2016 Masters Tournament was the 80th edition. Lee Chong-wei won Malaysian Badminton Open 2016. He defeated Chen Long of China to win the men's title. The title is Chong-wei's 11th Malaysia Open crown. He won it in 2004, 2005, 2006 and consecutively from 2008 to 2014. At present, Wei is ranked world number 4. Delhi girl Priyadarshini Chatterjee crowned FVB Miss India World 2016. She was crowned the title by Aditi Arya, Femina Miss India 2015. Sushruti Krishna of Bangalore crowned Supranational 2016. Pankhudi Gidwani of Lucknow crowned Grand International 2016. This was the 53rd edition of Femina Miss India Beauty Pageant. UN-backed Yemen ceasefire came into force. Ceasefire is in line with UN Security Council Resolution 2216 in 2015. Houthi rebels and government forces agreed to abide by a ceasefire. It will ensure success of peace talks scheduled for 18th April in Kuwait. Houthi rebels are Shiite group backed by Iran. Yemen forces are backed by Saudi-led coalition. Khadija Ismailova to receive UNESCO's World Press Freedom Prize 2016. She will be awarded on World Press Freedom Day on 3rd May. Ismailova is a freelance journalist to Azerbaijani service of Radio Free Europe. The award is also called Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize 2016. The 2016 World Press Freedom Day will be hosted by Finland. For more on current affairs, log on to jagranjosh.com.